Boy, I am hungry.
I could use some food too.
Who are you, by the way?
Giuseppe Gibbs.
Ah, Cornelius.
Nice to meet you.
Let's make some food, how about it? Looks like we're starving tonight.
As with the making of any other dish, we start out by washing our hands. First we will gather the meat for the pizza. Then, mozzarella cheese. Next up is the tomato sauce. We cut up the cheese. Slice our newly acquired meat. Now we're going to have Cornelius spread the dough. Roll the dough. Pour on sauce. And have Giuseppe spread it. Put on the cheese, sausage, and pepperoni. And finally put it in the oven. Well, so we never took pictures of the pizza. So instead, you get a piece of plastic. Ciao.